I can see most of the young people are from Maramuni, and that's a good thing to build Maramuni. And I know they'll become some professionals here, and then they'll be going back and building Maramuni. So they are here to close the semester with their function here. So we are here. So let's go and have some little interview with the boys. Come on, move.
Thank you, man. Come with us.
These are the boys and girls playing volleyball, and this side they are playing touch footy. We have the boys girls mix, and we are enjoying ourselves after our exam. UPNG has just finished its exam yesterday, Thursday, and the PAU is going to finish the exam next week. So we are having our fun day or closing function for the semester. My sister, may you please tell us your name and your name.
Hi, my name is Amanda Anton, and
And which school are you in?
School of Humanities and Social Science, but I'm not a student. Former.
PAU, I mean UPNG.
UPNG.
Oh, okay. So why are you guys here? This is 17 mile query. So why are all these students here, and why are you here?
We are here for the Maramuni Students Association outing at 17 Mile, organized by Medmex Perano, who is the president. And I think this is all the Maramuni students, along with a lot of WABEC students. It was an open invitation, so.
That's the last question. If you were to encourage somebody, what would you say if you were to invite somebody? If you were to tell him or her to come or no?
I would say if it's an open invitation, then everybody should come. Why not? We all can have fun going outside. I mean, I suck at giving advice, but
Okay, thank you.
Can come.
My name is Simon Sabala Itabu. I'm a final year law student. I'm from Kompi Mabum. And Medmex, I think he's your president.
Yeah. He's our president.
So I got a text from him, and he has requested me. So I've decided to get 5 of my boys. And I think one is from Western Islands. I'm a partly mixed parentage of Hagen Central. So I took one of my brother's cousin from Hagen, and I came along with him.
Okay, so UPNG has finished the first semester. When was the last date for your exams?
According to respective courses. For myself as the law school, we finished off on Tuesday, 26th of May. That was Tuesday. Today is Friday, so I think it was 2 days. The 2 days we stayed on, considering of semester 2 break.
Okay, so now the first semester is gone. UPNG is on semester break now.
Yes, it's officially closed. I hope there are 1 or 2 students are still doing. I think probably this evening they are closing up.
Okay, thank you. I think that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Come, Olen, kadi sip-sip ya, come, Simlol, come. Your name?
Miles.
His name is Miles. Surname?
Lagis.
Are you in school or UPNG or PAU?
I'm in UPNG.
Is UPNG what year?
This is my second year now.
Second year. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Enga, and
Your district?
my district is Pokora.
Pogarapayala, okay.
Pogarapayala, and particularly in Molitaga, which is close to Maramuni, where there's a place called Nerium. Very close to Maramuni.
Yeah. Okay. All of these students from Maramuni, right? I mean, all of us are from Maramuni. So, why are the Maramuni students here?
Maramuni students are hosting their outing here. Outing, and we are enjoying. This is our semester break as well, so we just really enjoyed while you guys invite us and be with us in here, and we just enjoyed the moment.
Can you explain this section? What are these people doing out there, and then this place?
This place we are just preparing light refreshment for our outings, and after you can see it's the field where they are playing volleyball and touch out there.
Down there they are swimming.
They are swimming, and
Final question: if we were to give encouragement to some of our young students who will be coming from Enga, Maramuni and all our 6 districts in Enga Province, what would be your encouragement to them when they finish their exam to, have function like this?
What I would say is it's good to come together like this rather than being alone and being stagnant in the association and all this. It's good to come together like this and support each other and make just association become meaningful, and coming generation they can do the same thing. And it's good to repress the mind and good to build a connection as well and get to know each other.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Colin and my name is Tom. I come from Mulitaga, neighboring Maramuni.
Yes, he's from Mulitaga. I've been with him around, I think, 2019 or 20.
Or 20 something.
Yeah,
yes.
I was with him at 2019 something. We were preparing for the EASA convention. We were singing and we went to that place. What's the place? Kasap and Mulitaga, and this place we were making some gardens up at the top, and I was walking up and down, and yeah, something like that. So
yes.
I want you to give one encouragement as being a young man in university.
I have so many challenges to share with you all, but regarding on the question that is being asked by recently is about I come from a kind of a family that come with so many challenges and obstacles while being a student, but somehow our nature planets so many different ways to be and socialize with different people and students. So here is my first year in university, and my encouragement to the upcoming and the new generation that are coming up behind us is that when you are in high school or primary school or you are still on study, there will be so many challenges and obstacles that you are going to be faced. So those are the things that will strengthen your studies. Those are the things that will make you strength that you will become somebody if you put aim or goal, something.
We have another sister here from Maramuni as well. She's going to introduce herself and then give us some word of encouragement.
Good day. Good day, Okata. My name Lomi, I'm Cynthia. Given name Lomi, Cynthia Capo Perano. Okay, Miblo Wabek Central Street na Maramuni. Maramuni from Tongiri, Monain. Wabek Town Street also Kolimambla Village Amala Karge Nemolona Wabek Town. So Miblo this last street one time mixed law. Maramuni boost na town one time.
Thank you. You school yet? You PNC or you school finish na? You are a professional now.
Okay, me school finish. Me graduate lo 2016, and then me work on la 7 years. Me stop out. So last year actually me come lo Mosby, come settle learn na stop. So at the moment me stay on mom, but me come under lo professional job.
Thank you. I think now I'm Mogatol Malamuni. Pigini kambung len have him closing function blongolong first semester exam finish na yubla kamlo iya long at least you can tell him ibla sambla lili thinking about him why yubla kam manem kan motive yubla kating mos yubla come together na kind of sem.
From what me looking long on before me plus gather na start me bla kind of sem, let me just say 10 years back 10 to 12 years back it was just a few of us that's all me plus start. Na after some years again na time me come na me looking again na me look plenty beginning na me confused first to say me beginning blonarla, but then me realize him say me Maramuni Sumadincho. So let me say the number has increased to some level where but one me surprised to look him, and then time me looking me come boom was na stop me say up taso na lugo se Sumadin stasa so me come ante as a professional na me looking me man bla good bla boom we me bla megima. So one plus encouragement or luluk me like him was me amas them all Maramuni Sumatin or come na boom was na building one pla bond between Lomiblayat, because you don't get to see a lot of students coming from that kind of place. I mean all the way from the thick jungle lokam osekain lea. But it is an opportunity now. I'm like privileged lo. Me blood pigini lo garin planti pigini ol kam lo boost na kamem. Lo mi et mi fili osem man bla am bringing pride nothing na maska lo mi lo lugosem. Planti pigni come na school so I think in the near 5 years number there am bagadim one bla big bla group of educated elites to Maramuni we all can really build him up back Maramuni. Before him 1 or 2 blocks at time lo make him difference here, but now when you look at the crowd, the number has gone far beyond 50, I think. So that is man bla good bla mi gen to bla good bla news lo Maramuni lo mi bla masama mas tu se mi bla di planti sumati nem kam stablo or big bla institution, and if you professional staff or line lo place, if there's any way we can, whatever we can do to help our students and make them come together like this, now move forward, now excel in life, Mibla must also come up backside one or push him la.
Thank you. I've been to Maramuni for a couple of times, and then once was around 2020. I know that distance. I've slept a couple of times in the forest. One time I was sleeping there, and then they left me, and then I remember traveling from Pasalagus to Pai for around 6 hours or something, and then close to I fell into that. But I don't know. I would be dead at that some time there, and I haven't seen a lot of young people there. But now I came here, I can see most of the young people are from Maramuni, and that's a good thing to build Maramuni. And I know they'll become some professionals here, and then they'll be going back and building Maramuni. So our last question is, we have those young people still in secondary school here, the grade 9s, 10, 11s and 12s will be coming to university, and do you have word for them or a word of encouragement for those young people coming?
I think big man lo Bible lem to sakana, you can do nothing without me. I alone know the plans I have for you, big man lem to sakana. So wisdom, knowledge and come from God there. So coming from that kind of place, if me talk lo highlights from bla mi bla come far long na stabia. I think during those time when mi bla stop around the age of in between 20 goal or 25, 6, 7 time mi bla been committed lo to life lo bla. And that's why fruit lo dislayam, they were educated to some level now also professionals, yeah. So you bla the next generation some bla you bla Maramuni Sumati and others too, where you bla stablo secondaries and high schools, if you bla make him truly education, I think the first foremost important thing you put him big man first to life blue. Number 1. 2 you discipline him. You had na put him thinking mosem. As long as you are a student, focus to him as education. Apart from education, any other things can be behind. So that means God first and education second. That's the conclusion, Bami.
Thank you one and all for watching.